In this video, I wanted to share with you a little bit more about the diagnostics capability of our ultrasonic sensor. So when you expand into your tank and you have your view here, you can go to this Provisions tab, and that will bring up additional information about the sensor and the sensor algorithm. So from here you can see that we have information that's often trended, the percent full, empty, full, temperature, but there's some additional parameters that are available to help diagnose what's going on with a difficult application. On the sensor itself, we can see the number of readings it's taken, the valid reading counts, target strength, signal strength, sensor retries, retry reasons, quality index, average signal strength is all indicators of what might be challenging the reading. And then from here, if you go into, you select on this gateway here, in this case they're all that bring you to the same place. And in this case we have a deeper dive into available parameters that are in the sensor. These are not necessarily trendable parameters. The parameters that are shown up here show us information about the hardware level, the firmware level, the model number, etc. And then specifically I wanted to scroll down here and show you that there's this number of raw values that are taken. There's 10 raw value readings that are taken here. If we take a look at these for a minute, of these 10 values, you can see in there that most of them are reading 64 point whatever inches in air gap, but there's a couple stragglers in here that are reading 24 inches, and so those are false readings that we're getting off the tank somewhere. The algorithm uses a standard deviation and throws those values out and calculates the reading based on the remaining values and calculates an average. And what this is just showing us is that there is something in that tank that is causing a reflection at 24 inches, and so that's a risk of some erratic readings in that tank. This reading had some suspect things going on in it, which caused us to do this deep dive. And now this is confirming where we need to be looking for errant reflection in the tank to correct this problem. But that's what I wanted to share with you, a little deep dive into diagnosing ultrasonic sensors. Thanks for joining.